Hey guitar friends, it's Mike with another guitar video. I picked up this Epiphone Les Paul Studio LT in the vintage sunburst finish off of Reverb.com for $100 with free shipping. It was listed for $145. I put an offer in of $100, and the seller, Bang a Drum, accepted the offer. Now, what was wrong with this is, you can see in this picture here, the screws, he said, were stripped. And when I got the guitar, I could see that the stripped part of the screws were the heads, and it wasn't bad at all. And I was actually able to reuse the screws. It was not a problem. There was no problem down here with the screws. I did refill these holes with some Titebond and some very good quality toothpicks. And I let the Titebond cure for 3 or 4 days so that I can re-drill the holes and put the guitar together. So this is what it looked like before the pickguard. I wound up putting a pickguard on it. And the only problem with it was the neck, the bolt-on neck, and it really wasn't a problem. So we can see here that please see all the pictures. The bolt-on screws are stripped and will need repair. The entire repair took about 20 minutes. And so I picked up a pretty nice guitar for $100. So what I'll do now is show some video as I was working on the guitar. It's not going to go into great detail, but I'll show you some clips, and then we'll finish up with the final version of the guitar with the pickguard and all fixed up. So let's play those clips now. Okay, so we're back, and you can see I filled the holes, and again I put some Titebond in the holes, toothpicks, and then I let the Titebond cure for a few days. It's about 3 or 4 days later, and this is right now as strong as the wood. So what I'll do is I'll line the neck up and I'll re-drill, and we'll put the neck back on and the guitar will be fixed. Okay, so I'll be right back. So what I've done to make sure that I don't drill through the neck, because that wouldn't be a good thing, is to mark the drill bit right here. So at the top of this yellow tape, that's as deep as I go. And the way I measured that was to take the screw and measure it that way. Okay, so what I'll do now is I will drill the holes and we will bolt the neck together. Okay, so she's all done. And she came out great. Let's take a look. I cleaned up the fretboard, polished up the frets. I tightened up the tuners. New strings. The neck went on without a problem. I was actually able to reuse the original screws, so that worked out well. She's set up, intonated. You can see I added the pickguard, and I had to repair this tone pot, which was a little loose. That was it. A great deal on Reverb, $100, free shipping. So if you're patient and you wait, you can get some very, very good deals. And if you can do the basic guitar repairs, you could really pick up a nice guitar at an inexpensive price. So let me flip her over now and I'll show you the neck. Okay, so here's the back of the body. Those are the original screws, no problem. I took off all of those stickers, and I don't know why these guitar brands, Epiphone puts like 3 stickers on the back of the headstock. I don't know why they do that. So I got them off. I was able to scrape them off with my fingernail and then put some polishing compound on the glue, and that dissolves it right away. Okay, so that's it. Like I said, you can pick them up for cheap if you just scour Reverb a little bit and look for the deals. $100, free shipping. All right, everybody, have a great day.